Hi, I am Javed Ahmad, a front-end developer intern from IT. Recently in 2024, I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Nagarjuna College of Engineering and Technology. And then in my internship, I have completed 57 assignments, which includes some of the UI mockups and even also projects. And my key project is known as COVID Scope. Here, my requirements are the screen should not be rendered and the data have to fetch in a single screen. In this website, user can gather the information about COVID-19 and even vaccination and rest of data. And even a user can access the website in Android phone, iOS and even PCs also, because it's responsive designed website here. Then let me walk into the website. As we here in the loading page, which is a navigation dashboard. Here there are some virus particles, which whenever I click on a virus, it directly navigates to the dashboard, in which the dashboard contains of 5 components called global overview, social impact, economic impact, medical response and rest about it. And let's moving to the first component called global overview. Here if a user moves over on any country, data is fetched in a model function, is popped up and a graphical required information is shown here. See like this. Let's take an example of India. When a user double click on a country, the data of India like cases, deaths, recoveries are displayed here. And when he moves over on a graph, the data is fetched from a DB.json. Here we can take a quick look on the JSON data container. In this JSON data, they contain of 5 containers like global statics, country specific impacts. Here the website data is fetched from here. And okay, moving to another component called social impact. Here there are 2 different divs or boxes. One is image and another is country selector. Here the selected country data is fetched. The priority countries affected by the corona placed in the Dropbox. Each country is the key function to fetch the data information. Whenever a user click on a country, the data is fetched from a db.json and it is showcased on the screen, as I can see in the website here. And then as you can see a video, model function also is displayed. Now moving to a third component called economic impact. Here the option is there to get more information here. There are 4 divs where each and every div containing its own data. Whenever a user click on a learn more button, a new open tab is displayed here. When we click the button, the data is fetched and shown here. And here there is a close button. When a user clicks on the close button, the module function or a tab function which is displaying here will be. And another component called as medical responses. Here there are 3 divs or 3 boxes where the data is fetching from a third-party application. See, whenever I click on the tab, then it is opening a tab function on the screen and the data is fetching from third-party applications like any forms of a government or etc. As global vaccinations, the data is fetched here as we see in the screen. And the third one, let's take a look how the code is from inside. Going to the code here. Here, as is shown in the website, the map function or a map which is displaying on the screen is fetched from this link called countries. The countries data is fetched and the data which is displaying here. Here are the bunch of codes which are contain of Reactjs, JS, JavaScript, CSS and even HTML for body structure. Reactjs is a reusable code. So I am preferring a Reactjs because let's take example. If we need to make any website, other website like IT Bridge, if you make a DB.json data and we fetch here, then a new website is ready. And even some of the components like table functions and even model functions can be reusable from Reactjs. And here I use Bootstrap modules, tab functions, keyframes for pop-upping the data from here. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you have understood the scope of this website. This is Javed Ahmad from IT Bridge.